What is the value of magnetic potential energy when a magnetic bar, which is having a magnetic moment M, is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field B? It's known that the formula for calculating the potential energy of a magnetic bar in the presence of magnetic field is nothing but minus m dot b dot cos theta, whereas m is representing the magnetic moment which is given as m beta, whereas b is representing the magnetic field which is given as b in the question. Whereas theta is representing the angle between the magnetic moment and the magnetic field, which is given as perpendicular in direction, which means it's equal to 90 degrees. So when we are applying all the values, the potential energy can be written as minus m dot b times cos 90 degree. It's known that cos 90 is 0. So the potential energy will also become 0. So the correct answer for this question is option B here.